because it gives them a topic that they care about, that they see on their phones, and that they can actually give their 100% best shot. And at the end of the day, the best part about it is that they can show this back to their parents, to their guardians, their loved ones, and you see those smiles on their faces. That's what I love about it.
The world of tomorrow is AI, and everything's going to be centered around AI. So having this knowledge is crucial for us to succeed in life.
I think this course will help me with my future because it will set me up with the skills and a little bit of background so I know if I want to go into studying artificial intelligence and computer science.
But what I specifically love about teaching these teenagers is that the questions and the curiosity that they come with.